This tutorial will take you through the steps for splitting an RGB image. Here we have a red, green, blue 24-bit image. I'm going to show you how to split it into the three individual colors. We're going to go Image, Color, Split Channels, and this will separate into red, green, and blue channels. You can then use the lookup table drop-down to assign the blue channel with a blue lookup table, the green channel with a green lookup table, and the red channel with a red lookup table. These images are now 8-bit images, so we need to save them again as RGB. Before saving.